Hey, did you notice the graphics industry has been hugely disrupted? And if you don't adapt right now, you'll be wasting huge amounts of time, money, and resources on outdated solutions. So are you still stuck in the 90s with Photoshop? Still wasting your time and energy finding that perfect stock image? Spending thousands of dollars to hire graphic designers and then waiting for days or weeks or even months? Or even worse, getting copyright strikes and DMCA warnings for using copyrighted images on your website, blog, or social media page? And even after all this time and effort, you still don't get the desired results. No engagement, no leads, and no sales. A few months back, I stumbled upon a Reddit thread that changed the way I looked at graphics. More on that later. Today, I have good news for you. The way you create graphics and design your sites, ads, and campaigns is about to change forever. And not just any graphics, but mind-blowing ones that will engage your audience, generate leads, and drive sales. That will make your business look professional, crush your competition, and help you stand out from the crowd. What if I tell you there is a brand new, innovative, and AI-powered way to create mind-blowing graphics instantly with no graphic skills or tools? Just by turning simple words into unique images, graphics, illustrations, artworks, and photos instantly in one click. And it's already happening. Every day, more and more people are turning to artificial intelligence, AI, for creating graphics, designs, and visuals. The AI revolution is fast becoming the new normal in the graphic design industry, and if you don't keep up, you're going to be left behind. You seriously can't risk it. Only dumb people are still trying to do it manually with Photoshop, GIMP, Canva, and other graphic design tools. I'm going to show you how to tap into this new revolution and become a pro graphics creator, skyrocket your business, get noticed, and generate more leads and sales. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 125,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $3 million in sales in just the last 4 years. Last year, one of my good friends was sued for using stock photos on his website. He was ordered to pay $10,000 in damages and had to take down his website. This was a wake-up call for me, and I realized that if my friend, who is an experienced marketer, could get in trouble for using stock photos, then the average person was in big trouble. When it comes to creating graphics, I can't even draw a stick figure, let alone use Photoshop. Over the past 4 years, I spent over $25,000 on various graphic resources, designers, softwares, membership sites, etc. I was tired of hiring, waiting for designers, and paying hundreds of dollars for a small, simple project, and do it again and again for every new project. Just a few months back, I was researching on Reddit about one of my projects and stumbled upon a thread that changed the way I look at graphics. A man won an art competition in Colorado using AI-generated art, prompting a debate over what art is. I was stunned. I had never heard of anyone using AI to generate art before. I was curious and started researching heavily on this topic, and then I had my aha moment. What if I could use AI to generate graphics for my marketing campaigns, for my projects, for my websites? It doesn't matter if I'm not a designer or if I don't have skills. As long as I have AI powering me, nothing was impossible. Same day I called up my team and we got to work. We worked day and night, and after months of research and development, we finally created a revolutionary AI app that could turn simple text into amazing graphics in one click. Fast forward to today. I can create and generate amazing graphics, 3D renders, and stunning visuals in seconds, saving me thousands of dollars, months of design time, and a hell of a lot of frustration. I could finally create the perfect picture to match my message using AI. I could use it to create flyers, logos, ads, banners, mock-ups, and virtual images with just a few clicks. I can even generate 3D renders and high-quality photos from scratch in seconds. Anyone could pass me for a pro graphics designer. To be honest, I create better graphics than most of the graphic designers out there. And today, I'm here to show you that you too can join this revolution and start creating stunning graphics for your business with AI and skyrocket your business. Get noticed and generate more leads and sales. Introducing AI Graphics Factory. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos, digital art, and much more for your blogs, websites, ads, social media instantly without any graphic skills or tools. Not just that, you also get access to our huge library of over 50 million royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes, and audio tracks. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create mind-blowing graphics that engage your audience, generate leads, and drive sales. Step 1. Enter a keyword or phrase. Select your style and click Generate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates amazing graphics from scratch and displays them in the preview window. Edit, modify them with our powerful built-in image editor. Step 3. Download or share your new graphic directly to your blog, website, social media, or anywhere else you want. It's that simple. No more complicated software. No more hunting for stock images or waiting weeks to get new creative. Create the perfect picture to match your message using AI in just one click. Here's some of the awesome benefits you get when you start using AI Graphics Factory today. 1. You'll get the first mover advantage. You can dominate your market before competitors get a chance to catch up. 2. Create stunning visuals quickly and easily with our AI-powered image creator, without any design or technical skills or budget. 3. Amaze and attract your audience with stunning visuals that will skyrocket your engagement and help generate more leads. 4. Also get access to over 50 million royalty-free images, videos, 3D renders, and photos that you can use for your projects. 5. Additionally, you can make even more money by creating and selling your own design work on freelance marketplaces or starting your own design studio business. You never ever have to worry about copyright infringement. AI Graphics Factory is 100% legal. 7. And finally, save lots and lots of time and money by never having to pay for high-quality graphics ever again. Not just that, we are constantly adding new features to this software, so you can always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine buying a single stock image from Shutterstock for $29, $125, or even $499, or paying monthly fees of $49 per month for overpriced stock resources, that too with limited usage rights. But you know what's even worse? Spending countless hours and eventually ending up with low-quality images while risking your own money and copyright infringement that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars in settlements. Now imagine being able to have all the high-quality images, videos, and graphics you need in just one click. That too without any technical skills or budget. Create unlimited graphics with no limitations. Imagine getting more engagement, leads, sales, and making more money than ever. Today you can get access to AI Graphics Factory for a low one-time price. Because this is a limited time one-time offer. After launch, we'll be increasing the price to match other video platforms, i.e. we will turn into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively, have more resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying AI Graphics Factory, we'll refund 100% of your money, no questions asked, and you can still keep our product and enjoy all the benefits. Don't let this opportunity pass you by or you'll regret it later. AI Graphics Factory is the best, fastest, and easiest way to create stunning visuals and graphics in just one click. If you don't take action now, you'll miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the AI Graphics Factory at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.